Hello children, your Arun sir going to teach percentage. See, percentage. Have you heard the word percent? Yes, must have heard. Per. Per means what? Divide. And cent. Cent word came from century. And century means 100. Must have seen Virat Kohli making century. Okay. So cent word derived from century means 100 and per 100. Per 100. It means what? Divide by 100. And symbol of percentage, this is the symbol, one slash, one drop here, one here. This is the symbol. Suppose I am writing here this. Just read it what I have written. Yes, it is 4%. 4%. It means percent. Means what? 4 divided by 100. 4 divided by 100. Instead of writing this way, you can write 4 by 100. Means per 100. 4 divided by 100, it means 4%. And if I am writing 2 whole 1 by 2%, simply you can write this way also. 2 whole 1 by 2 into 1 by 100 means value of this sign is 1 by 100. You can write this way, 4 into 1 by 100. What is this? 4 by 100. And 4 by 100 means what? 4%. So dear children, 4% or 5% that you have understood. What is percentage that you have understood. Now, what type of questions are there related to percentage? Let us discuss. First question, to convert fraction into percentage. To change fraction into percentage. Such type of question may be there. And fraction, we have already discussed about the fraction. 2 by 3, it is a fraction. Fraction means part of whole. And 2 by 3 is a fraction, and we are going to change fraction into percentage. Very easy. Mathematics, most easy subject. What to do to change fraction into percentage? Just multiply by 100. Put bracket sign and outside bracket put this symbol. What you are getting? 200 by 3. So easy to change fraction into percentage. Whether mixed fraction, whether proper fraction, whether improper fraction. That doesn't matter. Now listen. We will change mixed fraction into percentage. 2 whole 3 by 5. If I have asked you to change 2 whole 3 by 5, it is a mixed percentage, a mixed fraction into percentage. Same thing you will do. Whenever you are asked to change a fraction into percentage, just multiply it by 100. Put bracket and outside this symbol. Now let us solve it. What it will be? 5 to the 10 and 3, 13. 13 by 5 into 100 and outside percentage. You can cancel it. 5 20 jar 100 and 32 jar 26, 260%, and this is the answer. So easy to change fraction into percentage, whether proper fraction, whether improper fraction, or whether a mixed fraction. Now, second type of question in percentage, let us discuss to change decimals into fraction. Decimal knowing na? To change decimals into fraction. Let us see one example. To change decimals into fraction. What I have written here? Can you read it? Don't say 4.53. What it will be? 4.53. After decimal, each digit you must read. 4.53. And here we are going to change this decimal into fraction. Same will be the method. Just multiply it by 100 and outside it put percentage sign. Now let us solve it. Method is same. Just multiply it by 100 and outside the bracket put percentage sign. First, let us change this decimal into fraction. And you are knowing how to change decimals into fraction. 4.53. If you will remove point, instead of point, 1 will come and 2 digit, 1 and 2, put 200. Multiply. This part is clear. We have changed the decimal into fraction. Now multiply by 100 and outside percentage sign, it is cancelled. What is left? 453%. So easy. How to change decimals into fraction? Very easy. So we can change easily decimals into fraction. Now next thing, to change ratios into fraction. We will discuss one chapter in mathematics, ratio and proportion. Ratio. If I have written this, what does it mean? 2:3, or it is read as 2:3. Or 2:3 simply you can write as 2/3, or 2:3 can be written as 2 divided by 3. Both are the same thing. 2:3 or 2 divided by 3 or 2/3. We have to change these ratios into fraction. Same method. What we will do? First, 2/3. Instead of 2:3, you can write 2/3. Multiply it by 100. Put bracket. Outside percentage sign. Now, 200 by 3%. Dear children, this is improper fraction. Don't leave your answer here. Otherwise, if 2 marks question is there, I will not give you 2 out of 2. If you will leave here, what mark I will give you? 1 whole 1/2. Half mark I will deduct. Why I will deduct half mark? Because this is improper fraction, and you must change improper fraction into mixed fraction. So let us write in mixed fraction. Mixed fraction, 200 divided by 3. Let us divide 200 by 3. 3 6 ja 18. 2. Again 3 6 ja 18. 2. We can write here 66 whole 3 by 66 whole 2 by 3 percentage. Understood or not? This is the answer. Now you can get 2 out of 2 marks. So this also we have understood how to change fraction into percentage, how to change decimals into fraction, how to change these ratios into fraction, some more question related to fraction. Often your father asks you, what percent mark you have got? Suppose our unit test is a full mark of unit test is what? 20. Suppose maths total mark is 20. And in first unit test, out of 20, you got 15 marks. And your teacher writes just front of the maths paper 15 by 20. This is the mark you got. Your father may ask you, what percentage you got? What is this? This is a fraction. Change this fraction into percentage, and I have discussed that how to change fraction into percentage. 15 by 20 into 100 and percentage sign. 25 jar and 15 5 jar 75. It means 75% marks you have got. So I am sure how to change fractions into percentage you have understood. And total mark, suppose total first unit test total mark is 200, and in 200 total mark, all the papers addition mark is total 200, and you have got 150. Your parents may ask that what percentage mark you have got. Just multiply it by 100 and outside put this percentage sign. What you have got? 75% mark. That you have understood. Now, if I am asking you to change percentage into fraction, 4%. 4%. If you are asked to change percentage into fraction, simply think 4 by 100, and you must reduce this to 50. 125 means 1 by 25%. So 4% means 4% if you are asked to change into fraction, 1 by 25 will be the answer. Now sometime you may say, if I am asking you that what percent mark you have got, you told me, sir, this time only 60% I have got. Okay, you got 60% marks. Now don't say me percentage, what was your total mark? Sir, my total mark I have got is 120. See, if I have asked percentage, you told 60%. I asked you that say me your mark, the addition of your mark, you told 120. Again I have asked, I am confused a little bit. What will be the total? Whose 60% is 120? Try to understand what I am saying. What is the total? Whose 60% is 120? Understood or not? Try to understand. If percentage is asked, you told 60%. If mark is asked, 120. Now next question, what is the number whose 60% is 120? Very easy to solve. What you will do? If you are not knowing in mathematics, what we put? X means unknown, not knowing. 60% of X is equal to 120. Try to understand. X is the total mark, whose 60% is 120. Now we will solve it. How to solve it? 60 by 100 into X is equal to 1. 20. Leave x here only. And this side is 120. And transfer this side. This is in divide. This side it will become multiply. And it was multiplied with x. So it will come down. 6 2 12 and 102 into 200. So what easy percentage the topic is in mathematics. Very easy. Understood or not? One more question, let us try. Suppose you got 13 marks. 1 3. 13 marks. Total mark is 13. In percentage, it is say 50%. What will be the full mark? What is the full mark whose 50% is 13? You are not knowing full mark. Let the full mark be x. Let the total marks is equal to x. Then 50% of x is 100. 50% of x is 13. 50% of x is equal to 13. 50 by 100 into x is equal to 13. Leave x here. 13 into 100 by 50. 52 and 13 26, and 26 is the answer. So easy. Means total marks is 26 and that 50% will be 13. So I think nothing more in this chapter percentage, and today up to this much. You will do the rest question, other question, and you will send me the copy. Thank you very much.